Good afternoon, this is Papa D. This here truck, they call this a truck. If you're ever in the service and they ask if you want to be a truck driver, be careful. It ain't a hand truck they want you to get you in. That's an old joke I heard. Um, Someday I'll share it. Anyways, I was using this truck the other day, and a tire went flat on me. I thought, what the heck? Well, as we can see, it has a tube in it. So I pumped it up. And what I found out was that little valve stem in there had came loose. Trying to zoom in. Came loose. I tightened it all up. I got me some soapy water out. Checked it. No leaks anywhere in the tread or anything like that. But I checked that, and this air was blowing out of it, coming out of it. So I pumped it up, double checked my soapy water, and it didn't leak any other place. That's the only place, so I was able to fix it. And this is April 4th, 2021. So that was a successful project, an easy fix this time. So that was nice. All right, if you like what you see, please subscribe and smash that thumbs up button. Everybody have a good Easter Sunday. Papa D signing out.